ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಸೋಂಥದ್ದು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ನೀವು ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಿಳಿ ಕೂದಲು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವೈಟ್ ಹೇರ್.
Hello friends, learn today will have. Will have means ಹೊಂದುತ್ತೇನೆ. In ಕನ್ನಡ ನನಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That is. Learn now positive sentence. First use your subject, any pronoun or any name. Then will have. Then object means name of the things. For example, I will have good name in society means ನಾನು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಹೊಂದುತ್ತೇನೆ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ. You will have control over the language. My children will have knowledge. My teammates will say some examples.
I will have knowledge. I will have many friends. I will have mobile after my education. I will have long hair.
I will have a son-in-law.
I will have a daughter-in-law. We will
both will have
grandchildren.
I will have strong body. I will have a horse and bike.
I will have white hairs. I will have many responsibilities. I will have treatment for this thyroid.
I will have good LIC customers. I will have good business.
I will have a car.
Friends, pause your TV and say what you will have in future. ನೀವು ಏನನ್ನ ಹೊಂದುತ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ, ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಏನು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Friends, learn now negative sentence. Use your will not have. Will not have means ಹೊಂದಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ or ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ in future. First use your subject, then will not have, then object means name of the things. For example, I will not have problem of money in future. I will not have black hair after few years. You will not have fear of English after more practice.
I will not have original teeth.
I will not have this black hair.
She will not have this strength.
He will not have rest in the month of March.
I will not have short body after 10 years.
He will not have milk teeth after 2 years. She will not have short hair.
I will not have tension after exam. I will not have small dresses after 5 years.
Now say what you will have and what you will not have. Say to your family members or your friends. Say all your ideas and practice more. Friends, learn now yes or no question. First use your will, then use your subject, then have, then object. If you like to mention, you can mention time by add. For example, will you have more money in future?
Yes, I will have.
Yes, I will have. Friends, yes, they will have more money in future. What about you? Will you have more money in future? Okay, next question. Will your parents have your love? Answer.
Yes, they will have.
What do you say? Will your parents have your love? Next question. Will he have strong body?
Yes, he will have.
Will you have meeting next week?
Yes, I will have.
Will you have thyroid problem after treatment?
No, I will not have. Will you have exam in month of March?
Yes, I will have.
Friends, pause your TV and question your family members or friend or your spoken English mate. ask question and practice. Friends, learn now information question. There is a small technique. Use question word in front of yes or no question, then it will become information question. QW means question word. For example, when will you have more money?
I will have more money after retirement.
How many cars will you have?
I will have 2 cars. One is for me and one for my son.
Where will you have a site?
I will have a site in Jayanagar.
What dimension site will you have?
I will have 80 by 100 site.
Where will you have the meeting?
I will have the meeting in LIC office. When will you have training?
I will have the training in the month of May.
Friends, now pause your TV and question your family members about what they will have and where they will have. Practice more and more. Practice English daily. Think in English always. Read English books or newspaper or jokes book. Read loudly and try to speak English always.